of the SVR Education and Society Group. It offers the Sagar Institute of Technology offers 5 courses, BTech courses: mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, computer science. And we have a sanctioned strength of 360 in engineering, which we are planning to increase to 420 this year. And in the PGDM, we have 60 seats in Food and Agribusiness School and 60 seats in PGDM in the general stream, and another 60 seats in MBA. All our courses are approved by AICTE. PGDM courses are not affiliated to university. The rest of the courses are affiliated to JNT.
I am Dr. V. Satyanarayana, Principal of Sagar Institute of Education Society Group of Institutions. Started in the academic year 2009 in Chevelda, about 40 kilometers from Hyderabad. The institute has got 3 different franchise institutes: Sagar Institute of Technology, Food and Agriculture Business School, and Sagar Global Business School. Sagar Institute of Technology offers programs in civil engineering, computer science engineering, mechanical, ECE and EEE branches. And Food and Agriculture Business School offers postgraduate diploma in management in agribusiness. And Sagar Global Business School offers a 2-year postgraduate diploma in management with a specialization in green business, foreign trade, marketing and finance.
Hi friends, I am Tarak Mandeepak from Civil Branch 3rd year, Sagar Institute of Technology, Chevelda. Sagar Institute of Technology is one of the best campuses we have in our state, with a wonderful faculty and excellent labs where you can do your practicals comfortably. Then we have wonderful things like digital library as well as a big library where we have nearly 2,000 volumes of textbooks and reference books, as well as we have communication labs to improve our leadership qualities and communication skills. We have regular internship programs at the end of every semester right from our 2nd year. And then here we have squads like anti-ragging squad, NSS squad, sports club, which help us to not only concentrate only on studies but also co-curricular activities. We have regular sports events like inter-college competitions, intra-college competitions. We have wonderful playgrounds. And then this college is offering in different engineering in different streams like mechanical, civil, electronics, computer science. So it is a wonderful platform for the upcoming emerging engineers to opt this college. And then we have nice facilities like canteen is good, as well as classrooms are very nice. This infrastructure is one of the best infrastructure you can find. And then the students over here, the faculty over here is first of all very friendly. Student guiding faculty, you can freely talk to them whatever suggestions you need, not only in studies but also apart from studies, your personal things and all. And they can guide you very well because they are very experienced faculty. They have been teaching in this faculty, this teaching side from past 20 or 30 years. We have wonderful faculty members, wonderful supporting lecturers, and then good library, nice canteen, good playgrounds. What else we have? Everything what a best college should need. And so I request the upcoming intermediate students to opt this college for the engineering branch, as well as it is offering other courses like MBA and all. So you can also choose this one, this programs also apart from engineering. So this is the best place. Believe me, this is the best place where you can emerge as a leader at the end of your 4th year. And then we have also campus selections, which is wonderful. We have tie-up with companies like HCL and all, which is very useful for you in the upcoming competitive world. And then, so this is the best way you can see. When the competition is increasing, you have to choose the best one, and you get confused to choose them. But you just go to the website of this college, you will come to know everything about this college. Once you come and visit this college, yourself you will say that this is the best one. Thanks a lot.